we're gonna be playing some bait with my friend that I was playing with in the last video, in the girl tag video.
Yes.
We're gonna be trying to catch some
So yes, guys, he is finally on.
nice fish.
Hopefully, we will catch some McLaren fish.
Literally. I don't think there's gonna be a lot of editing needed for this video.
Where's
So
my
back,
water?
and we're gonna try to catch better stuff than that, because that was horrible.
Throw it back, make it sag.
What? Sis, get out. Alright, I'm gonna have to cut this part out, obviously.
What? Why'd you cut? What do you need cut
My
out?
sister's being annoying. Sis, get out, bruh. I don't care that
This is gonna be a very long video, but it's gonna be a very chill video.
Sure.
Most of that I don't.
Yeah. I have a feeling this is gonna be like a short. This isn't really gonna be like a real video.
Oh, bro, I have at least 20 minutes of footage already from before.
Oh my gosh, bro. So,
You don't need edit because that was me in a private server.
yeah.
Not like this, like in a normal.
Yeah. So guys, we just caught a snowflake sculpin. So I don't know if we should keep this.
I got one of those boys. I'm trying to get the Captain America fish.
I want to use this as bait. Can I do that? No, I can't.
No, you can't, Sally.
I
I got Captain America fish.
No, you didn't. Hey.
Captain America fish.
This.
He tugged on it. It's either that's another Captain America fish or that's McLaren fish.
McLaren.
Captain America it is.
Oh man. Wait, how did I just switch hands?
Oh, you got a polar bear. You got a polar bear.
Drew, look. How did I do this? Look. This is on this side now.
Yeah, look.
Oh. I'm stupid. Anyway. Oh, this feels so.
Well, wait. Why is that so much easier to catch? Just throw him back in. He's a very highly illegal pet.
Yeah.
So we gotta throw back in Captain America.
Why are some pets illegal to have? Like monkeys.
Yeah, I'm gonna try fishing with this hand.
Why are monkeys illegal to have?
Because they could rip your face off.
I don't care. I want a damn monkey. Who doesn't want a monkey?
Bro, I'm fishing with my other hand, bro. It's so easy to catch fish, I feel like.
Yeah.
I don't know why. It's easier to reel it in, because this one I'm faster to move it with.
This is just like a video that we made for fun. We're not doing any challenges.
I'm gonna edit like it into a short for some. I'm gonna edit like a little bit of it to make one short.
Okay.
Of like
I
the
got
best
a
moments.
McLaren
I'm gonna make one
fish.
short of it. Double McLaren fish!
Yo! Swing it around like this.
That's going in the video. That's going in the video. Then look, pick up your McLaren fish.
There we go. Oh.
Let's put our McLaren fishes together. They're making out.
Yeah.
Oh.
I need that.
McLaren baby. Should we keep it? Yeah. They're highly illegal. But who cares?
Yeah, I kept it.
Who cares about the laws? Just edit out whatever we don't need.
Yeah.
Because whenever we make something that's just the good parts, that's what gets more views.
Damn. Come here, fishy, fishy.
Come here, fishy, fishy, fishy.
This fish is so, like, sassy. I don't like this fish. It's all the way by the taxi.
And then I got it.
Oh, nice. You got, oh,
the
that's
cannabis.
a soda.
Certain substance.
Bro, why is this
Is that
tiny
a crab you
fish?
have?
I don't know.
What?
Oh,
a
it's
Krabby Patty all fish is
It's like, it's the crab fish. It's a crab fish. I don't know why they're so
Oh,
hard
Vin, I
to
got the
catch.
sheep. Vin, I got the sheep fish. I got the sheep fish.
Nice. Yeah, I don't know why these are so hard to catch. Oh my gosh, it was a shark.
Wait, what? Let me see him.
It's a mammoth whale shark.
Oh my gosh, wait, that actually is a mammoth whale shark.
This is sick. Should I throw it back?
Did you just?
Look at that
Oh, Vin,
penguin.
I got big boy. I got big boy.
Look at that lonely penguin. Wait, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Wait for it. Wait. Look at that. Look at that lonely penguin.
Oh, bro really said do 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 do.
I'm gonna put music over there, like the.
Bro, look, Joe. I mean, Vin.
Oh damn! That's a fat fish. Jesus!
55 pounds.
Damn!
55 pounds.
That's a ginormous fish. Like you should give it a low taper fade. It will make it even bigger.
It's so massive.
It is.
Low taper fade. That's going in the short.
Yeah.
Wait, Vin, I bet I could throw it farther than you.
Nuh-uh.
Let me
Do it.
put my special rod.
Hey!
Look, that's worse. Look at that, Vin. Look at that. It's
Look
deep
at
in
that.
there.
Oh, wait. Wait, I can do it further. See? That's farther.
That was not farther. I'm sorry, Vin.
Yes, it was! Haha, that's farther. See?
No, it wasn't, bro. Vin, did you not see how far back mine was?
There, mine's to the... That's far. Oh, I think my video downloaded. I hear myself talking.
W.
Okay, chat, I will be right back.
I know, bro. That's so fun. Vin, I got another penguin.
Look, I bet you can't throw farther than that.
What?
Not the fish. Fish you could throw so much farther.
Look how far I threw that.
That mine is way farther than that.
Oh, wait. Over there. Mine's farther.
No, that
Dang it,
is
yours-
not.
Dang it. I bet I could do it farther, though.
There's no fish over there. Where I threw mine.
Look at that, Vin.
That's not farther.
Pastures by like an inch.
There's no fish over there.
Oh, Vin, I'm getting tugged on.
Oh my god!
Oh, I got a mini polar bear fish, kind of.
Bro, the Meta
21
Horizon,
pounds this thing is.
the Meta
What?
Horizon says turn on my lights when I literally have my lights on, bro. As for
I
you,
don't use lights.
huh?
I don't use my lights.
Ooh, come here, fishy, fishy. Ooh, fishy,
My fish broke loose.
fishy, fishy.
Oh, Vin, look at that one. Oh my gosh, Vin, look at
Nuh-uh,
how
you don't
far
see
that
it.
went.
You don't see it. You don't see it.
I do see it, but Vin, look at how far that went.
Damn.
Blood the flow loose, stop the kip it. Wait, I'm actually getting a fish.
Yo, look how far mine went.
That's not that far.
Yes, it is. Farther than yours.
No, it's not.
That is. Oh my gosh.
Look at that one.
Look how far mine is.
Mine was farther, bro. Vin, I don't think that you realize it.
Look over there.
Look at mine. Oh, dang it.
Yes.
Yours was farther just now. But mine was farther last time.
Nuh-uh. Well, now I'm getting a fish.
That's farther.
I'm getting a
What
fish.
the hell? Oh, yeah. Oh, I think I see a fish.
Come here. Oh, I hate this
I think I see a
fish.
fish.
I'm gonna kill this whole fish's family. Okay, edit that out.
Wow, that part's actually funny. It's nothing offensive, but
I'm gonna kill this whole damn
what I
fish's
said was
family.
very offensive.
I'm gonna kill this whole fish's family if it doesn't come here.
What?
Throw that at the penguin. Over there. Lonely.
He's hungry. Food from father. Some food, some father. Some food, give me a father. What's a father?
Ah!
What's a father?
I hit it! I hit the fish. I hit the penguin over there.
What's a father?
What's a father?
Somebody calling my phone. Who calling my phone?
Where did my rod go?
Stop shoving your rod, Vin.
Where did it go? Oh, it's over there.
Oh my gosh, Vin, you're always pushing your rod out. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that went so far.
Okay.
Where'd he go? There. Drew?
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
I'm checking out some very expensive items. Just bought another one. And I guess I just bought another one.
Oh, wow.
I bought a new reel. Then look, does this one look better on my thing? The blue?
Yeah. This fish, I swear I'm gonna kill this whole fish. There we go. Oh my gosh, what is this, bruh? It's a fish finger fish.
Soda can.
Alright. I think... Should we make this the end of the video?
What the hell?
Look, that's my finger fish.
That's massive.
Should we make
Do you know
this
what else is massive? No. Yeah.
Should we
Okay, well. Thanks for watching, guys. Today's been a very fun video. I've had a lot of fun today because we made multiple videos. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe because we're almost at 500. We're literally one subscriber away.
subscribe?
But by the time I make this video, I might have 500 already. Well, whoever watched this, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe because that would really help me because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So, thanks a lot. See you in the next video. Bye.
Okay, Chad. So, what you heard from him, I am saying the same thing, but yeah. Thank you for watching. I put a lot of time into my editing, so please subscribe and like, comment. And
Oh yeah, we did.
this was a very fun
We literally
video
put a
to
lot.
make. And if you guys have any recommendations about some games I should get to play on YouTube that you guys would like to see, let me know in the comments. And with that being said, goodbye.